Okay, so you plug it in. This is for your electric start, right?
Yeah.
Plug it in right now. So this is your choke. You turn that over. That's your throttle.
Yeah.
Your gas come around here. You have to turn your gas off or it'll leak. There's your gas valve.
Yeah.
Straight, gas running, off.
Okay.
Gas running. So now it's just gravity. Your primer,
Pop it a few times.
till you see it drip.